Okay, so in this video, I'm just going to quickly show you how to make animated wallpaper. So I'm not going to make it. It's two programs that actually does it. So there is two programs. Let's look at them quickly. So the one is called MPV Paper. It's the app that you install, J-S MPV Paper. And it basically just takes any of your MP4 files and put it as your wallpaper. And you will have animated wallpaper. And then the other one we all know is SWWW, which is a wallpaper changer. So both of these you can actually put in a key binding in a hyprland.conf to just change them if you press a key. And you should actually put it in your auto exec in hyprland.conf as well. So when you boot up your PC, it will just start working. Right, so let's just check MPV Paper. So once you've installed it, this is the actual command: MPV Paper, loop, no audio, your screen, and the file, the MP4 file path. That's it. So you can run this in terminal, or you can put it in a key binding. Yeah, and put it in a key binding or in a script or wherever you want it. Right, so let me just check now. Okay, in order to get your screen name, you just have to type in hyprctl monitor. So we can just quickly check that. So hyprctl monitors. Mine is obviously a virtual machine, so it says virtual 1. It should usually say DP1 or display 1, whatever. So take that and put it in this command. Let me just copy this quickly before I go further. Yeah, let's open a terminal and let's see my previous command. So in order to run this, you need to kill SWW because the two doesn't work together. So if you have SW running, you need to kill it. And I think it's just kill SWW. Am I now forgetting my own commands now? pkill, yeah, the daemon. Let's just copy that because me and typing is not the best of friends. So we can kill that, and it will take my background or take my picture away. Right, and then we can actually run this command. Okay, there it goes. So if I go and show you, it actually animates the wallpaper. So it's just playing that MP4 file, yeah. So I basically just took my background, slapped it in Grok, make a little animation, and this is what it does. So it's not the best. Obviously, you want the best video for your background. It's just an example. So let's that's basically how that works. So let's just check that I did anything. So all you have to do is kill SWW if it's running. If you don't even have it installed, then it's not a problem. You can just run MPV Paper with its command and the path to your MP4 file. And yeah, that should be it. But anyway, let's go to SWW and run that. Let me just kill this quickly because it's killing this virtual machine. Right, so with SWW, it's basically just running the daemon. Once you install it, you have to put this in auto exec in hyprland.conf so that it runs at boot. But I think it's running now. Yeah, I think it's running. And yeah, and then this is the command: SWWW image path, and then it just does that. But what is nice, SWW can actually run GIFs. as well. So a GIF is just a bunch of pictures that's in sequence and it gets selected. So it runs that, it looks like a animated wallpaper then. Okay, so let me just quickly show you. If you have an MP4 file, but you want to use SWWW instead of the video player, little program, there's actually a command that you can turn your MP4 file into a GIF. So this is the command. So you can use online tools or third party, but who wants to do that? Just use this command. FFmpeg the path to your MP4 file, and then you can play around with the frames per second. So if it's too fast or slow, you can change that. The scale is pretty important for quality. So if it looks off, just change the scale a bit. Mine is at 1280. Right, and the other stuff you don't have to worry about. And then the last bit is just the output file path. So there's the actual MP4 file that you want to convert, and it converts it into this. I just call it output.gif. That's input.mp4. This is the output.gif file. Put it in the path where you want to actually select it, and then it will convert that mp4 into a GIF. And then you just put that GIF file obviously in your SWWW command, and it will run it. So that's how you convert mp4 to GIF with this command. Right, so let's copy that. Let me just see which one is this. Okay, I can just put in the right one there. And there it goes. Oops. So now this is the GIF running, not the MP4. So turn the MP4 into a GIF, and yeah, it uses way less resources of your PC. So I'll just stick with SWWW. It runs GIFs. It animates your wallpaper. This is not the best quality, but it's just for an example. Let's just see if it can transition. I have another one here. I just call it 1. Let's see if it works. Ooh. Is it now? Let me just check the names quickly. What's all my GIFs? So Snow BG GIF. Snow BG GIF. So Snow underscore BG GIF. There he goes. Look at that. This one is actually nice. Yeah, this one is way better quality. So again, this was an MP4 file. Let me just think now where I got it. Oh, this is just something I screen record. And yeah, I made it a GIF, and this is how it looks now. So nice. And the looping actually works. The snow actually stops and it starts falling in. It's not resetting to the start. Yeah, so I got it from here. Right, so yeah, this is the 2 programs that you can use, but I don't know about MPV Paper. You can make it work, and it just basically just use any MP4 file. But yeah, it uses more resources, and it's not something I'm familiar with. But yeah, SWWW just works for me. I already got it integrated with my palettegen and all of that stuff, so it just works. That is basically how you animate a wallpaper. I'm sure there's other ways, but I don't know about them. Anyway, like and subscribe if you like this, and tell me what else do you want to see. Good.